हमारे सुरक्षा निर्देश पत्र में इनका स्थान और उपयोग के निर्देश हैं। Your well-being is our top priority and we request you to pay close attention to this demonstration even if you fly frequently. A safety instruction card is available in the seat pocket for your reference. Secure your seat belt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end to lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seat belt fastened at all times. In the event of a decrease in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will fall automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to initiate the oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Ensure your mask is secured before helping others. There are 10 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 at the front, 2 in the middle, 2 at the rear and 2 over the wings on both sides. The fluorescent strips along the floor will guide you to the closest exit. For takeoff and landing, personal electronic devices must only be used in flight mode. Please store devices for takeoff and landing. Smoking, vaping and consumption of alcohol brought with you are prohibited. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Use of or tampering with life jackets, emergency exits and other safety equipment without a command from the crew is forbidden. Non-compliance may result in delays and regulatory action. A safety information card and a communication guide are available in Braille. In case of an emergency landing, slides or slide rafts may be deployed. Please read our safety instruction card for instructions के बाद ही भरें। अगर विमान में स्लाइड्स या स्लाइड राफ्ट्स लगे हैं तो बाहर निकलते ही आप निकटतम राफ्ट पर चढ़ जाएं। विमान कर्मी दल की अनुमति के बिना रक्षा जैकेट को इस विमान से हटाना वर्जित है। In the unlikely event of a water landing, take the life jacket from under your seat, slip it over your head, secure the strap around your waist, inflate by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the inflation tubes. Inflate the life jacket just before leaving the main exit doors. If evacuating through an over-wing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. Board the nearest draft on exit. Tampering with or removing the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and punishable.
Cabin crew to your seats for takeoff, please. Confirm cabin clearance.
Hello.